Hello Smarties, Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn the letter Jeem today. Let's see how to write it. To write the letter Jeem, you need to make a straight line and then write the English alphabet C. Make a straight line and write the English alphabet C attached to it. And don't forget the dot in the middle. Make a straight line and write the English alphabet C. And don't forget the dot. Easy, right? Let's see the different sounds it can make. We have Saut Qasir, the short sound. Jeem with the Fathah, Ja. Jeem with the Kasra, Ji. Jeem with the Dammah, Ju. Ja, Ji, Ju. We have Saut Tawil, the long sounds. Jeem with Alif next to it makes the long sound Ja. Jeem with Ya next to it, Ji. Jeem with Waaw next to it makes the sound Ju. Ja, Ji, Ju. But the letter Jeem looks a bit different here. Do you know the story of the big belly letter Jeem and how it exercised and lost that belly? If you want to know that story, I'll leave a link on the top and also in the description. You can go and listen to that fun story. For more fun videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Then we have the Tanween sounds. Jeem with the double Fathah makes Jan. Jeem with double Kasra makes Jin. Jeem with double Dammah makes Jun. Jan, Jin, Jun. Did you know that Arabic alphabets look different at the beginning, middle and end of the word? This is how Jeem looks, and this is how it looks at the beginning, in the middle and at the end of a word. Jeem is a two-handed letter, which means it joins hands with the letter before it and also with the letter after it. Now it's reading time. We have the short sounds Ja, Ji, Ju. We have the long sounds Ja, Ji, Ju. And we have the Tanween sounds Jan, Jin, Jun. Let's practice these sounds now. Ja, Ji, Ju, Ju. Ja, Ji, Jija, Jaju. These are our long sounds. Ja, Ju, Ju, Ji. Now we have the long sound and the short sound. Ja, 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 ji, ja. What letter is this with one dot below it? It's the letter Ba. Ja, Ba. Two dots on top. Ta. Ta with the Dammah. Tu. Tu, ji, bun. Tujibun. Taja. Ajibun. Ajibun. Now it's writing time. We have the Arabic word jidar. Jidar means a wall. We have a missing Jeem at the beginning of the word. Should we put this Jeem or this one? The Jeem over here has a little hand to join with the letter after it. This Jeem has two little hands to join with the letter before and after. Since Jeem is the first letter, we need only one hand to join with the letter after it. So we will choose this one. Don't forget the dot. Thalj. Thalj means ice. We have a missing Jeem at the end of our word. Should we put this one or this one? This Jeem has two little hands. This Jeem has a hand to connect with the letter before it. Since Jeem is the last letter, we need to choose this one. Nujum. Nujum means stars. Do you know the singular word for stars? In English, it is star, and in Arabic, the singular word for nujum is najam. We have a missing Jeem in the middle. Should we choose this one or this one? You are right. We will choose this one so that it can connect with the letter before it and after it. Nujum. Let's do one more. Mukhraj. Mukhraj means exit. Which one will you choose? Will you choose this one or this one? Do you notice the little hand over here to connect with the letter before it? What letter do we have here? We have a Ra. Ra does not join hands with the letter after it, so we cannot choose this one. We will choose this one.